Well, I hope you guys enjoy our little clip. It's been a while that they updated the movie because everybody's been really busy. Some of the members here are full-time students. So, bây giờ nung pai part E, it will post up soon. Part 2 will be next year. So hopefully you guys enjoy a small clip and happy Hmong New Year.
Happy
Hmong
New
New
Year.
And be safe. So, go Sean Dana, Sean Chiao, everybody, be happy. So subscribe and comments and yeah. Alright, bye.
Bye.
Bye.